Potential customers will make a judgment call on your business very quickly. They'll make this judgment call based on a number of factors, most of which you have total control over. Let's say you drove past this vehicle, like I did a couple of years ago. What impression do you form about that business from just that one exposure? Probably the same one that I did. And if you compare that example to this, it's a no-brainer. Successful businesses are normally great at getting the small things right. They have great attention to detail. They care about whether signage is correctly spelled. They train their people to sound great on the phone, and they review the quality of their written correspondence. Remember, you can't tell customers you're a great company. They have to come to that realization, to that conclusion. Trust me, customers notice the finer details. In fact, it's often the small things that stick in their mind. Here's a challenge for you today. Walk around your workplace with a critical eye. See things like a fastidious customer would, and be ruthless with your observations. And then compel your staff to maintain that critical attention to detail. You'll love the difference it makes. After all, why handicap yourself? Business is hard enough as it is. I'm Illman, and thanks for watching.